we are getting rid of these yucky sliding wood doors and also getting rid of these yucky wooden shelves. So first of all, go ahead and take everything off, all of your food, pull that aside. Now we're going to get the top bracket and we're going to put it all the way up at the very top. Now this top plate is interesting because there is no need to find a stud because it is an entire stud all the way along the top. So all you need to do is go ahead and drill pilot holes in each of the holes, drill in your screws, and then go ahead and hang the vertical pieces. This kind of goes in like so, and then it swings down, and then next thing you know, you have all of them in place. You do not have to fix these to the walls, they can just droop down. Now get these shelving brackets, go ahead and snap those into place, make sure that they are level. And doesn't that look nice? Now go ahead and get the rack, go ahead and cut them to size, if in fact you do need to cut them. And now when you put them onto the actual brackets, you need to make sure that they are all lined up perfectly and the end kind of peeks out the end. And then you can go ahead and snap them into place, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead and load your food back up and check out that transformed pantry. And in case you forgot what it looked like before, here are the yucky wood shelves, and here are the brand new metal shelves. Lots and lots of room up here at the very top. Goes wall to wall. I love these things.